Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to count your crochet chain stitches. So to start out, this loop that is on your crochet hook is not a chain stitch. You never count that when you're counting your chain stitches. When you look at chain stitches, they form a sort of V, so this is one chain stitch. So each crochet chain stitch consists of two parts. The first is two loops on one side, so 1, 2, you can see right there, and the other is one loop on the other side of the chain stitch. And when you're counting chain stitches, you only want to count by the half of the chain stitch. So I like to look at one of the loops, and you can count that way. So when you take your hook out, you can see that this first chain stitch is right here, the second chain stitch is right here, remembering that this loop does not count as a chain stitch, and you can count all the way to the bottom. Thanks for watching.